So I guess this is part 4 of my video of how to create a hand-cut mosaic. I've started cutting my patterns out here. You can see I left my grout line everywhere. I usually don't leave this all intact like this, but I did just to kind of show you guys. I usually cut it all away as I'm going. But cut everything out, got everything labeled, and these old grout containers, they work really good. I've got a whole stack of them. There's a bunch of them back there, you can see. But this is all I do. I use for my labeling W, T, C, G, I's. This one's pretty simple. I've only got 5 containers. Sometimes I have 15, 20 of them. Cutting everything out, everything goes in their containers. And then after everything's cut out, I'm gonna start tracing tile. So that'll be the next little video here. I just wanted to show you what I've got going. There again, I always use a brand new sharp blade. If this thing isn't brand new and sharp, it's a pain in the butt to cut these things out. So I will always switch it out for a new blade. Got a box of 100 here, they're pretty cheap. So that's just a little tip for you. So anyways, I will finish what I'm doing, and the next video will be tracing my templates to tile.